Hi, in the previous video we have seen 5 important questions in the polynomial chapter. We will continue this. In this video we are going to see 5 more important questions. So this is the first one. Write the zeros of polynomial x square minus x minus 6. So to find the zeros of a given quadratic polynomial, first we have to find the factors. If it is a quadratic polynomial, we will get two factors. So I have to equate the factors to 0 to get the zeros of the given polynomial. So here you see x square minus x minus 6 is given. So 1x square minus 1x minus 6 is equal to 0, like that we can write. Now by splitting middle term we can factorize it. So here middle term is minus 1. We have to take two numbers whose sum is minus 1 and the product is the minus 6. Nothing but product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 1 into minus 6 minus 6. Now factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So 2 into minus 3 will get to minus 6. To get the sum we have to put a minus sign to the number greater number 3. So 2 minus 3 we get a minus 1. Now we can split this 1x into plus 2x and minus 3x. So here x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now taking common term from the first two terms, x is common, remaining is x plus 2. Here common is minus 3, so minus 3 outside, remaining is x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So we are keeping 2 inside, so is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is common, taking x plus 2 outside, remaining is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now equating separately to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3. Therefore zeros of the given polynomial are minus 2 and 3. Let us move to next question. In this question, we have to write a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are 3 and minus 2 respectively. We know the general form of a quadratic polynomial if the sum and zeros of the polynomial are known. So let the zeros of polynomial, if the zeros of a polynomial are alpha and beta, then we can write the polynomial as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So like this we can write, that is equal to 0 we can put it. Polynomial equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Here sum of zeros is given 3. So 3 only alpha plus beta and minus 2 only alpha into beta. So we can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha into beta is equal to 2. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta is plus 3. Plus 3, alpha into beta is minus 2. So we can write it as 3x here and then plus alpha beta. Instead of alpha beta we have minus 2, so we can put minus 2 here. So this is equal to 0. It is a polynomial equation, but we need quadratic polynomial. Therefore quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3x minus 2. This is the required polynomial for this question. Let us move to next question. So this one is the second one. Let us move to third question. So this is the question. In this question we have to write the number of zeros of the polynomial whose graph is given. So here we have 4 subdivisions, 4 graphs. So in each one we have to find the number of zeros of the polynomial. So let us find it. First, number of zeros of the polynomial are nothing but the number of points where the curve of polynomial intersects at x-axis. So in the first subdivision A, the y equal to f of x curve intersects at a x-axis at 3 points. So the number of zeros of the first subdivision A is 3. So for A, answer is 3. And then for B, the curve intersects only at the origin. So at x-axis. Therefore the number of zeros is only 1. So answer for B is 1. And then for C, the curve intersects at a y-axis only. It is not intersecting at the x-axis. The number of zeros of polynomial y equal to f of x are nothing but the points where the curve intersect at x-axis. But here it is not intersecting at x-axis at any time. So number of zeros is 0. So answer for C is 0. And then for D, here the curve intersects at 3 points. So 1, 2, 3 at x-axis. Therefore number of zeros of the given polynomial is 3. Let us move to next question. In this question, we have to find the zeros of polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, and I have to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. Okay, so there are 2 parts in this question. First, I have to find the zeros of polynomial. So I have to factorize the given polynomial and I have to equate to 0 to find its zeros. Then I have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. We will see it one by one. First, let us find the zeros of the polynomial, given polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. We have to equate the given polynomial to 0 and I have to factorize, then each factor I have to equate to 0. So here we have to write in the order, first higher degree term, after the x term, after the constant. So here using middle term splitting method we are going to factorize it. Middle term is minus 7. So I have to get a sum minus 7 and the product is product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. So I have to split minus 18 to get this sum as minus 7. So factors of 18 are 2 into 9. So we can put a minus sign to the greater number to get the minus 7. So 2 minus 9 minus 7. Now 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. This minus 7x only written as plus 2x and minus 9x. Now we have to take the common term from the first 2 and the next 2. So here 2x is common, remaining is here 3x, and then here 2x taken out, remaining will be 1 only. So here minus 3 is common, remaining is 3x, here plus 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3, so plus 1 will remain there, is equal to 0. Now 3x plus 1 is common, so 3x plus 1 taking out, remaining will be 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Separately if we equate 0, so 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. And then here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. So we are getting zeros minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So this is the first part of this solution of this question. Now we will see the second part. I have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Relationship alpha plus beta, sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. This is the first relation. Second relation is product of zeros is equal to c by a. So first we verify this one. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha and beta are nothing but the zeros we obtained. Minus 1 by 3 is alpha and beta is 3 by 2. So you can write here alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3. Beta is equal to 3 by 2. And what are ABC? ABC are nothing but from the polynomial we can write. So A is the coefficient of x square. A is coefficient of x square 6. B is coefficient of x. So here minus 7. B is minus 7. C is the constant term. Constant term is minus 3. Now you can substitute this. Alpha plus beta. Alpha value minus 1 by 3. Beta value 3 by 2 is equal to minus b. Minus b value is minus 7. A value is 6. Now I have to simplify both the sides. Here 3 and 2 we have in denominator. So if you take LCM, LCM is 6. So 6. Now to make it 6 you have to multiply it by 2. So 2 into 3 6. Then you have to multiply the same 2 with the numerator also. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Now here 2 here. I have to multiply by 3 to make it 6. So 3 into 2 6 and then 3 into 3 9 is equal to minus of minus plus. So plus 7 by 6. Now again if you simplify, left hand side we get 7 by 6, right hand side also 7 by 6. So it is verified. Next relationship, product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is minus 1 by 3. Beta is 3 by 2. C value is minus 3. A value is 6. Now if you simplify it, minus into plus, final answer will be minus 1 into 3, or else you can cancel here first. 3 and 3 can be cancelled here. 3 one time, 6 2 times, 2 3 6. So now remaining is minus 1 by 2. That side also you have minus 1 by 2. So it is verified. Let us move to next question. So in this question, this is also similar to the previous question. Here also we have to find the zeros of polynomial 4x square minus 4x minus 3, and you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of polynomial. So here also we have two parts. First you have to find zeros of polynomial, then you have to verify the relationship. Let us find the zeros of polynomial by factorizing using the middle term splitting method. So here the middle term is minus 4. So I have to get the sum minus 4. And the product is coefficient of x square and the constant term. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12. So I have to split minus 12 to get the sum minus 4. So factors of 12 are 2 and 6. 2 into 6 is 12. So we can put 2 and 6. I have to get the sum minus 4. So we can put a minus sign here. So 2 minus 6 minus 4. Now we can write this 4x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here minus 4x only splitted plus 2x minus 6x. Now taking common factors from the first two terms and the next two terms. Here 2x is common, remaining is 2x. Here 2x taken out, so remaining 1. Here minus 3 is common, remaining is 2x minus 3 into 1 minus 3. So plus 1 will be there here is equal to 0. Now 2x plus 1 is common in both the expression. So taking 2x plus 1 out, remaining is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Equate separately to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 3. X is equal to 3 by 2. So we get a zeros minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So I have to verify the relationship. Relationship is nothing but sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros alpha into beta equal to c by a. So here alpha and beta are nothing but the zeros obtained, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So alpha is minus 1 by 2, beta is 3 by 2. And then what is ABC? A is coefficient of x square 4, B is coefficient of x minus 4, C is constant term minus 3. Now alpha plus beta minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus B is minus 4, A is 4. Now simplifying this, LCM is 2, so minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, that is equal to minus of minus plus 4 by 4. Now you can cancel like this, so we are getting 1 is equal to 1, so it is verified. Same thing for product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to c by a. Alpha is minus 1 by 2, beta is 3 by 2 is equal to c value minus 3, a value 4. Now if you multiply minus into plus minus, so minus 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So minus 3 by 4 is equal to this side also we have minus 3 by 4. So it is verified. So this is the end of the session. We will see few more questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.